Have you ever wondered if powerful AI models like Google Gemma can run right on your own machine, without relying on the cloud? Imagine harnessing cutting-edge AI directly, securely, and efficiently, all from your desktop. Today, let's walk step by step through setting up the Google Gemma AI model locally, so you can start exploring its capabilities firsthand. Google Gemma is a lightweight, state-of-the-art language model, designed for versatility and speed. By running it locally, you gain control over your data, enjoy faster responses, and free yourself from dependency on remote servers. Before diving in, check your system requirements. Gemma is optimized for both CPU and GPU, but having a modern processor and, for advanced tasks, a compatible GPU will make a difference. Ensure Python is installed, ideally version 3.8 or newer, and update pip for smooth package management. Next, download the Gemma model weights and its supporting code. Google provides these through their official repository or huggingface.co. Navigate to your terminal or command prompt and clone the repository. Then, install dependencies with a simple command, pip install our requirements.txt. This step will set up everything needed for the model to function. Now, let's configure Gemma for your machine. Open the configuration file, usually named config.yaml or similar, and adjust the parameters to match your hardware. Set batch sizes, memory limits, and verify paths to the model weights. Save and exit when ready. Launching Gemma is simple. Use the pre-built scripts provided, often named un.py or serve.py. Enter your prompt and observe the model generate responses in real time. Experiment with different commands or queries to see what Gemma can do. If you run into errors, check your system compatibility, ensure all dependencies are installed, and consult the model documentation for troubleshooting. For community support, explore forums or GitHub issues where others share solutions. With these steps, you're equipped to bring AI home, unlocking Gemma's potential with confidence. Keep experimenting, and discover what you can achieve when advanced AI is truly at your fingertips.